What's up guys, you're welcome to my channel once again. So very quickly in this video we'll be looking at some potential pullback area and also profit target area for Luna. So we'll be looking at a detailed price prediction, technical analysis on Luna. So if you ask me, I say Luna getting to $200 easily, like seriously, anytime soon. Like that should take Luna to around $80 billion market cap. And we should expect a pump of around 370% pump plus in order for Luna to get to $200, which is very possible. Like just 3x, 300% pump plus, that is 370% pump plus, which is very possible. And if you say, okay, let's bring it to $100, that Luna should get to $100, we should expect a market cap of around $40 billion market cap, and that's just 138% pump plus from here, from the current price. So as you can see, Luna is currently trading at around $42.53. Here's the thing, trading at around $42.53, and it has a current market cap of around $17 billion if I'm not mistaken. So before we continue in the detailed technical analysis, guess what? Luna is not even listed on Coinbase yet. Can you imagine? Just imagine what will become of Luna by the time it gets listed on Coinbase. Like Luna is going to gain massive exposure, like seriously. A lot of investors, like tens of millions of investors in Coinbase, Luna is going to be exposed to them. And that is going to kind of make the price to surge. So let me just bring those new to this project up to speed real quick, because a lot of people are new to this project. So let me just bring them new to Terra project up to speed real quick. So Terra is a decentralized financial payment network that rebuilds the traditional payment stack on the blockchain. Basically, it utilizes the basket of fiat peg stablecoins. And here's the thing. Luna is the reverse currency of Terra platform. It basically has three core functions. One of the functions is it provides incentive for the platform's blockchain validators. The second function is it ensures the price stability of Terra stablecoins and also mine Terra, which is the third one now, mines Terra transaction through staking. So here's the thing, Luna is the ticker symbol, and also, yeah, Luna is the ticker symbol for Terra. So looking at the coin market cap right now, Luna is sitting at number 14 position out of 14,000 cryptocurrency on the coin market cap, and it's currently on the watch list of almost 400,000 people. Can you imagine? The price is trading at around 42 cents, $40.65, and Luna has been up 12% in the last 24 hours. So like I said earlier, before we head straight back to the chart, looking at the market cap and also looking at the circulating supply. Circulating supply has a major role to play when you're trying to give a price prediction for a particular token. So looking at Luna circulating supply right now, which is sitting at almost 400 million Luna token in circulation. The total circulating supply is 874 million Luna token. So looking at the circulating supply right now, which is almost 400 million Luna token, Luna can easily get to $200. And that should bring Luna to a market cap of $80 billion market cap. For Luna to get to $200, sorry, we should expect a pump of almost 370% pump, which is very realistic. And we should expect a market cap of 80 billion, like I said earlier. Currently, the market cap is sitting at 16.9 billion, that's 17 billion. And it's been up 11% in the last 24 hours. Fully diluted market cap is 37 billion, and it's been up 12% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume up almost 0.23%. Luna explosion is going to take a lot of people by surprise and shock. Okay, if you say Isaac, you're trying to make the price too exaggerative, like you're exaggerating the price. Let's bring it to $100 price for Luna. By the time Luna gets to $100, we should expect a pump of 138%, which is very, very, very likely to happen. That should take Luna price to $100 plus, and it should bring Luna market cap to around $40 billion market cap. So let's just head straight to back to okay. For now, as you guys already know, Luna is not listed on Coinbase yet, which is something when it happened, when Luna finally make its way to Coinbase, is going to be massive. Okay, here's the thing. You can get Luna on Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, Bitfinance, Gate.io, BitHub, KuCoin, I've mentioned KuCoin, and a lot more. Like, Luna is virtually listed on all exchanges, almost all. Crypto.com and the rest. So it's yet to get listed on KuCoin. Coinbase. Looking at this chart on CoinMarketCap, Luna has really performed well. Let's just check it out. Damn it. Like, look at it. I think the all-time high for Luna was around $54, $55, if I'm not mistaken. So jumping, Luna is one of the safest cryptocurrency out there. So jumping into Luna right now won't be a bad decision, if you ask me. Okay, we're back to the chart, and I'm looking at the volume profile right now. We're having a very, very high demand zone here, and also a very high demand zone at around $41.25. Let it not be as if we're too exaggerative. We should expect a potential pullback area at around exactly 41 cents if a lot of sellers stepped into the market. We should expect a potential pullback area at $41.25. And if buyers are not able to push the price back up, like if Luna is not able to hold this support area very well at $41, then we should expect Luna to break down to around $39, which is very still possible. And it's not a bad idea for Luna correction to get to that point. So by the time Luna gets to the correction, by the time it gets to $41, we should expect Luna to trace around Fibonacci retracement zone of 0.382. So here's the thing. For the immediate short term, like very, very shortly, few hours from now, maybe if Luna is not able to break up, we should expect Luna to have a correction to around $41.96. That should bring Luna to around Fibonacci retracement area of 0.236. But the moment Luna is able to close few hourly candles above $43.74, believe me, Luna will be making its way to $47.44. And by the time it's able to close few hourly candles above $47.44, we should be expecting Luna to head to $51. The moment Luna get to $51.18, going to $53 would just be a child's play for Luna. Now here's the thing, we have a major resistance zone at around $53. So Luna is likely to either break above the resistance zone of $53 or get rejected from there and then find its way to around $51 or $47. Because $53.33 is a major resistance area for Luna. So the moment Luna breaks $53.33, believe me, Luna will be shooting to 50. Like, it will be making new highs. That's just the summary. My name is Isaac. In case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and peace out. Stay safe.